Hello, I'm Harrison Keeley. Here's a quick look at today's top stories. First of all, Tennessee will be one of the cheapest states to buy health insurance under the new Affordable Care Act. The government is setting up healthcare exchanges for Americans if they don't already have coverage. Nationally, the average cost for a typical plan is about $330 a month. In Tennessee, the same plan will cost you $245, about $70 less than the cost in Georgia and Alabama. Consumers can start signing up for the plans on Tuesday. Coverage will start on January 1st. A Rossville man has been arrested after police say he left a baby inside his van while he went grocery shopping. When an officer arrived, a woman had already opened the car and was holding the baby. She told police she heard the infant screaming from across the lot. Police say Richard Anthony Gleash began crying when he came out of the store and realized what happened. He apologized and told police he was away for about 20 minutes. Then he apologized again and again. He was charged with reckless conduct. An 86-year-old man is in critical condition after he and his wife were burned in a Brainerd house fire. Andrew Broomfield has second and third degree burns to 70% of his body. His wife, Arma, returned home from church and rushed in to find her husband with his clothes on fire. Authorities say she tried to pat out the fire with her hands before getting him away from the burning house. A Tennessee mom has been charged in the death of her 3-year-old daughter. Police in Van Buren County say 22-year-old Samantha Brymer-Armstrong left her daughter unattended for more than an hour while she played video games in the back of the house with headphones on. Her daughter Kaylee was found unresponsive in a swimming pool and was taken to Erlanger in Chattanooga, but died the next day. A student has been stabbed at an East Tennessee high school. The stabbing happened in the cafeteria of South Green High School in Greenville, Tennessee. The 15-year-old injured student was taken to the hospital and is in stable condition. The other student is facing an attempted murder charge. Police say a doctor found dead at the UT Medical Center overdosed on anesthetic. Dr. Zachary Kim Rose was found lying dead in a bed by another physician. Investigators say Rose had given himself anesthetic to fall asleep. An empty bottle of the liquid was found in his bag. Incest cases have risen 86% in Tennessee. That's according to a new report from the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. Reported cases rose from 28 in 2011 to 52 last year. Hamilton County Circuit Court Judge Jacqueline Schulten Bolton has announced she's not seeking re-election. Bolton served 15 years on the bench. Her replacement will take office in September 2014. In business news, McKee Foods has added almost 300 jobs in Collegedale over the past 10 months. In total, the company's added close to 800 jobs in the last year. President Mike McKee says business jumped tremendously when competitor Hostess shut down. He says McKee Foods saw 10 years of growth overnight. McKee purchased the Drake Cakes line and put those items back on store shelves this week. Work has finally started on the new Publix grocery store on Chattanooga's North Shore. Demolition and site work is now underway, about 4 months behind schedule. The project is now expected to be finished by late 2014. And some good news for drivers. Gas prices have dropped below $3 a gallon in parts of the city. On average, prices are about 40 cents cheaper in Chattanooga than they were last year. The St. Elmo Historic District has been recognized as one of the best neighborhoods by This Old House magazine. It was one of only 16 neighborhoods in the South chosen by the publication. Along with praising St. Elmo's home styles and hiking trails, the magazine said the neighborhood offers something for everybody. Finally, a Chattanooga church has built an entire orphanage for children in Africa. Members of Christ United Methodist were told they could build a home for orphans in South Sudan for $85,000. But they didn't raise $85,000. Instead, they raised nearly $300,000. The new expanded orphanage will open this Saturday. Turning to weather, today will be mostly cloudy with a high near 80 degrees. The low tonight will be around 60. That's our newscast for today. Thanks for being with us. You can find more on these stories and breaking news all day long at timesfreepress.com.